What's the meaning of aftermath? Aftermath. 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 The term aftermath refers to the consequences or outcomes of a particularly significant event, often one that has been catastrophic in some way. It can refer to both the tangible and intangible effects that such an event may have on people, places, and things. The aftermath of an event can be felt for years or even decades after the original occurrence and can involve a range of different factors, including changes to physical environments, economic instability, social unrest, and psychological trauma. Ultimately, the aftermath of an event is defined by its lasting impact on the world around it.